Today, we are going to have some fun making your very own firefighter craft. Are you ready, boys and girls? Let's get started. Here's what you will need to make your very own firefighter. A firefighter craft pattern, a piece of construction paper, markers, or crayons, or you can even use colored pencils, glue, tape, scissors, and a picture of yourself. Be sure to ask a grown-up to help you if you need help. First, color in all of the picture of the firefighter. Next, cut out the firefighter turnouts and the helmet. Cut out around your picture. Attach it with tape, then attach the helmet. Next, you want to glue the firefighter and attach it to the construction paper. And now you have it. You're a firefighter.